he's the one who came with a call. I think this was like in November.
Yeah.
And I said, okay, Amit's calling me. What's he up to? And he said, Jackie, come on, we need to like, we've always had a hit combination. So he said, one more is coming. So I said, what are we doing? And he said, I'll tell you, let's all meet. So we went to Nadiad's office, and I don't think Nadiad even knew at that time. And I said, okay, listen, I have this really amazing idea. Ek do teen. So we were all in shock, and we didn't know if I didn't know if I was brave enough to attempt something like that. I was a little bit hesitant, but you know, Amit has a lot of conviction when it comes to these things, and I think he just saw that this was something, you know, we wanted to do. Yeah, and so we did it.
doing many kind of songs इतने सालों से करते आ रहे हैं. And Jacqueline, I don't mind quoting it and saying that she's, I think so, one of the best dancers इतने मेरे career में मैंने देखा हूँ. And now when I'm directing this film called Baagi 2, and it's got a lot of action, तो एक गाना तो बनता ही था. तो वो कौन सा गाना था? Then I decided it should be एक दो तीन. Then I spoke to my producer Sajid Nadiadwala, and he said, देख ले बाबा, सही जगह हाथ डाल रहा है क्या? I said, I'm sure कि पिक्चर में गाना सही जाएगा. मुझे पता है कि जैकलिन will dance the best way. अब इसे कोरियोग्राफ कौन करेगा? तो I said, कोरियोग्राफ तो चलो अभी पता नहीं. I've lost grounds in choreography. Baagi has taken a lot from me.
Yeah, of course.
In terms of action. Taxed. And Jacqueline और मेरा पैर हमेशा hit रहा है. We've given a lot of hit songs. So this time I said, Jackie, मैं हूँ. We all are there. But then we requested my dearest, cutest, loving friend Ganesh to step in and take the ball rolling ahead.
Master G.
Jackie, the original to choreographing the song. How has been the journey for you?
सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ कि ये जो गाना अहमद इन लोगों ने चूज़ किया एक दो तीन, इस गाने में मैं ग्रुप डांसर था. इट्स सरोज जी.
That was so cool.
मुझे कहा अहमद ने कि गणेश, सबसे पहले तो मुझे अहमद गणेश बोलता नहीं, गन्या बोलता है. मास्टर इन लोग मास्टर जी. तो हम लोग साथ में हम लोग आए, दोस्त थे. मतलब मैं अहमद हम लोग मतलब साथ में एक ही बिल्डिंग में रहते थे और बहुत ही मतलब पास में. तो बोला गन्या गाना करना है और एक दो दिन करना है. बोला एक दो तीन गाना करना है, जिसमें मैं ग्रुप में था. और मैंने खुद अपने आँखों से देखा है कि सरोज जी ने किस तरह से माधुरी जी को कोरियोग्राफ किया था एक एक मूवमेंट. तो बहुत ही चैलेंज था मेरे लिए कि ये गाना कोरियोग्राफ करना. लेकिन जब मुझे अहमद ने कहा कि जैकलिन कर ली, तो मैं बहुत खुश हुआ. हैप्पी. बेस्ट.
थैंक यू.
ये गाना बहुत आइकॉनिक माना जाता है. बहुत बड़ा सुपर हिट हुआ था लेट 90s में, जब ये फिल्म तेजाब आई थी.
89 ना?
Early 90s. 89.
हाँ, 89.
लेट 90s. अच्छा
80s. 30 years. 30 years.
सॉरी. तो आपको किसी तरह का कोई प्रेशर था कि इतने बड़े आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग पे आपको परफॉर्म करना है? लोग कंपेयर भी करेंगे माधुरी दीक्षित के साथ, ये ऑब्वियस चीज है. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताएं.
That was, I think, my first, you know, stress that how can we recreate something so iconic? Like, is it even possible? And I understood, it made it a lot easier for me when I understood that it's not possible. You know, we're not trying to match up to what Madhuri Dixit did. We're not trying to match up to what Saroj Ji did. We are honestly here as fans, big fans of their work. And this is honestly, more than anything, a tribute to the amazing, iconic number that they gave to us, which was Ek Do Teen. And I mean, it's for me as an actress, I know this is such an honor, and I know a lot of actresses and all of my friends are like, we're so jealous. We know that you're doing Ek Do Teen because it's so iconic, and for any girl, this would be a dream song to do. And I feel really blessed that I've been given this opportunity by Amit, by Nadia, to work with Master Z, Master Z, and yeah, and I know that I would never ever be able to match up to Madhuri Dixit. That's not even something I'm going to even attempt, because you cannot replicate someone like Madhuri Dixit. There's only one Madhuri Dixit, but I know that you know, I can. This is just my tribute. This is just my tribute to her. And
जैसे कि ये song, इस song के बारे में जो अगर आपने tweet किया तब you really wanted to keep something which could really relate to song को, और वक्त के साथ-साथ क्या-क्या changes किया है उसमें?
You're right. देखो, हमें 1, 2, 3 की 2 चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी तरह याद है. एक तो माधुरी मैम की वो पिंक आउटफिट, टैसल वाली, और दूसरा है
स्टेप.
तो आई जस्ट सेट के आई टोल्ड गन्या मैं सेट बना दूंगा, मैं लुक दे दूंगा, लाइटिंग पे ध्यान दे दूंगा. 2 चीज़ मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है एज ए डायरेक्टर. एक है वो पिंक आउटफिट जो मनीष मल्होत्रा को मैंने कहा, मनीष पिंक, एंड वो बोलता रहा नहीं नहीं मतलब मनीष दे, एंड मनीष ने दी. एंड आई रिक्वेस्टेड हिम टू कीप सरोज जी जो मेरी गुरु रह चुकी है, उनका आइकॉनिक स्टेप. ये 2 चीज़ हमें याद है. एंड उसके बाद आप देखेंगे कि गणेश आचार्य ने इस गाने में खुद का एक जो तड़का डाला है, विच आई एम नॉट अशेम्ड और आई वोंट रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम सेइंग, कुड बी द न्यू 1, 2, 3 आगे ले जाएगा. एंड आई होप एंड आई प्रे दैट वी आर गिविंग द न्यू मोहिनी टू everybody.
I hope so.
Do you plan to show the song to Madhuri, and both of you also, you know, like you said that you both have been associated with the song. Sarojji has been your guru and you were there as a back dancer. So do you also plan to show it to Sarojji and, you know, see her feedback?
We've actually, I mean, I've connected with Madhuri ji, and we will be communicating, we will be chatting a little bit more about how the song went once it's done, because right now we're like, I'm under a lot of stress. My only focus right now over this past week has been this one song. And but yeah, of course they will be the first person, you know, we've already taken their blessings, so you know they're
I've met her, I've taken her blessings. Ganesh has spoken to Saroj ji and taken her blessings.
So how did she react, Madhuri?
कुछ नहीं, अच्छा आशीर्वाद दिया हमको बहुत प्यार से कि हम लोग बच्चे हैं उनको. जो उन्होंने कहा कि आप लोग करो, की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, लेकिन हम मैंने कहा सरोज जी हम आपके नाखून तक नहीं पहुंच सकते, हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जो भी है आपको आपका प्यार है. और उन्होंने बहुत प्यार से हमसे बात की कि गणेश बस मैं तुम लोग के साथ हूँ, आशीर्वाद. अहमद मेरा बच्चा है, आप मेरे साथ उस ग्रुप में थे, सुबह ही बात की मैंने उनसे, तो बहुत प्यार से उन्होंने आशीर्वाद दिया. कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
It has been it is your 7th collaboration with Sajan sir from Dhanno to now. So, and it has always been super successful. So tell us about it more. How do you feel about it?
It's been fantastic. I mean, like, actually, it's so funny. My first ever item song was for Nadia, and that was in Houseful 1. It was Dhanno. And, we created Dhanno. And, you know, and then every single film we did after that has been, you know, very successful. So yeah, now I'm doing my second item song again. It's for Nadia Dwala, and I think it's really important, you know, in an industry like ours, in the work that we do, you have to connect with the people that you're working with. The energies are so important, and it just recreates magic on set. It recreates magic on screen, and so I'm just really blessed that I'm working with really fantastic, great energies. So it really helps.
Jacqueline, if you could update us upon the preps, how many hours and the days before you started shooting?
So first of all, I watched a lot of Madhuri ma'am's music videos and all of her dancing, her expressions. I did that for like about a good month. And I was just continuously on YouTube, just watching her. And I mean, like, you know, I've always been her fan, but when I really dove deep into the work that she's done, it was like my respect for her is just multiplied by even more. And then Master Ji spent about a good 5 days. 5 days we were rehearsing, but we were like really rehearsing from day to night. And one specific day, Master Ji just like, I think for about 6 hours, every single movement, every single step, every single expression, he like made me do it 50 times. He made me watch him, then do it, then watch him, then do it. Then, I mean, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of prep. We've worked extremely hard. I know, like, even with Ganesh sir, he's really worked on this song to do justice to it. And I feel like we have a responsibility to each other as well. I have to do justice to his choreography. You know, he has to do justice to, you know, helping me as well, you know, with this song. So we've really kind of like worked together on this as a team, as a proper team.
कोशिश वही की है बेसिकली।
क्या कितना टाइम लगा ड्यूरेशन वो आइकॉनिक स्टेप करने के लिए? आपको कुछ प्रिपरेशन तो ज़्यादा लगी होगी, कितने टाइम सो किया?
30 seconds.
No, it's really funny, but that step is actually something that
You all can do that step, yeah.
और उसमें क्या था, मैं उस शूटिंग में था, तो उसके जो शब्द है 14, 15, 16, 17 उसके एक एक्सप्रेशंस है कि 14 को तेरा संदेशा आया, 15 को आऊँगा ये कहलाया, 14 को आया ना 15 को तू तड़पा के तूने क्या पाया। तो वो अंतरे में जो उस वक्त मैंने देखे थे सरोज जी के, वही किया हमने सरोज जी को उनके तरीके से और मतलब पेश करनी हुई। फिर जैसे 17 है, 18, 19 से 20 को दिल के टुकड़े हुए 20, तो वो सब एक्सप्रेशन वही शब्द है, सिर्फ उसको हम लोगों ने पिक्चराइज थोड़ा नए तरीके से किया, मूवमेंट है, लेकिन एक्सप्रेशंस वही है। और
one thing that Master Ji also focused on a lot was my expressions. He was like,
she's fantastic.
He's like, he focused a lot on that. And what also, you know, Ahmed and Master Ji kept saying is, they kept telling me, do you know what this song means? Do you know what she's saying? You know what Mohini is singing? Do you know what? So it got into my head so much. I'm like thinking like, oh my God, she's waiting and she's waiting and she's waiting for this guy. And it's actually, we really went into this song so much. But he's worked a lot on my expressions, which is something that, you know, it's a very, very new and different style for me. This is something that I've not attempted ever, which is why I was very shocked when Ahmed came to me with this song, because all of these, even this hook step, this is not something, I'm not a trained classical dancer, you know, and Bollywood is, it's something I have been doing, but it's not a forte, you know, but this is like really...
इस गाने के बाद हो जाएगा।
जैकलीन, आपने अभी बताया कि साजिद से कितना लंबा एसोसिएशन कितना अच्छा रहा है। किक 2 अनाउंस हो गया, साजिद फिर से डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए, कुछ अगर आप बता सकें।
I'm very, very happy.
To work with Salman.
I am working with Salman right now. But I think Kick 2, the announcement has come, and I'm very, very happy that Nadyad is working with Salman again. But I think, you know, details on, you know, anything more for Kick 2 should be coming from the producer, so, and in time.
Ahmed, you being a choreographer first, director बाद में, but कभी-कभी वो choreographer बाहर आ जाता तो वही doing this song. You used to discuss something or it was totally
नहीं, हम लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ सोच के, अहमद कोरियोग्राफर है या डायरेक्टर हैं, हम जैसे पहले भाई थे वैसे ही भाई दोनों ने मिलके ही गाना किया बहुत प्यार से। ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि मैं कोरियोग्राफ कर रहा हूँ, अहमद डायरेक्टर है, दोनों ने मिल के, अहमद को जो मैं बोलता था गणेश ये एक्सप्रेशन ऐसा चाहिए तो ऐसा करे, फिर हर शॉट में मैं जैसे एक डायरेक्टर को पूछता हूँ कि ये कैसा, ये ठीक है, वैसे मैं अहमद को पूछता था और बहुत मिलजुल के किया हम लोगों ने, क्योंकि हमारे पे जिम्मेदारी बहुत ज़्यादा थी। एक तो सरोज जी का गाना माधुरी जी ने किया हुआ है, हम दोनों वहाँ से आए, अहमद तो वहाँ से आए, मैंने तो ग्रुप किया था और ऊपर से जैकलीन माधुरी का गाना करे, तो बहुत ही प्रेशर था। तो हम लोगों ने कोशिश की कि हम वहाँ तक पहुँच के थोड़ा कुछ अच्छा करें, बाकी आप लोग गाना देखें तो आपको पता चल जाएगा।
वैलेंटाइन डे भी आ रहा है, क्या कोई स्पेसिफिक प्लानिंग है आपकी? अगर आप
I leave for Bangkok tomorrow to shoot for Race 3. So I keep telling my makeup artist, I was like, guess what? I'm your Valentine's date. क्योंकि
आप तीनों से जानना चाहेंगे क्योंकि कल प्रॉमिस डे है, तो ऐसा प्रॉमिस करना चाहेंगे आप लोग?
कल प्रॉमिस डे है।
हम प्रॉमिस करते कि हम ये गाना अच्छा करके आपके साथ पेश करेंगे।
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Promise.
One point which was often raised against remixes or recreation songs is that it shows dearth of creativity or originality in film music. As a director who has, you know, chosen this song for the film, how do you react to something like that?
I didn't get the question.
There is a point which is raised against remakes or recreated songs, is that it shows dearth of creativity or originality. So as a director, how do you react to that?
See, it's a medium which is given to us for the audience. So we reacting to something like this doesn't make sense because audience want it like that. जैसे आज आप देखो लास्ट ईयर के सब हिट गाने वो रीमिक्स ओनली, नए धुन बनते हैं वो चलते नहीं हैं. हम शूट करते हैं, प्रोड्यूसर खर्चा करता है, एंड देन यू रियलाइज वन रीमिक्स इज टेकिंग द चार्ट, चाहे वो ऊंची है बिल्डिंग हो या रस के कमर हो, तम्मा तम्मा हो. हम
No.
Eventually it's retro and we love retro and if it's coming back, why not? तो मैंने सोचा कि अगर मेरी फिल्म में मुझे रिक्रिएट करना है तो मैं ऐसा वैसा नहीं, I'll go for the Queen and I went for 1 2 3.
But I also feel there's no limitation when it comes to creativity. You can keep on creating even if it means you're recreating. It's art, it's music. And that's what it is. There shouldn't be limitations. You should be able to do whatever you want to do, and that's the beauty of our work. We should never be controlled that way. Should be.
Jacqueline was doing pole dance and race 3 again after Chandramekha. Would you like to comment about that?
Yes, I am doing pole dance.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you, media. Hope you enjoy the song.